Hi all, the Oxstone here. Since I had to sell a couple pedals recently, I've re-engineered my atmospheric sounds with an extra delay and a little extra reverb. So I recently grabbed the old Boss Digital D3 digital delay, and I'll show it to you here on the board. If you can see it there, it's next to the Nova delay. And I've added the little Hall of Fame 2 Mini for the bigger reverb sounds right now. So anyways, I want to give you a little demo of that sound. And there. So anyways, let's turn on the volume here. I'm using the light speed for a little overdrive. And I have the arena on Royal Albert Hall right now, which is kind of a longer one, but here's the old DD3 Boss delay. And you can adjust the delay time. Anyways, okay, and then here's the TCIV modified. It's a little slower. See if I can match the DD3. Or that's two of them together. So you combine them, kind of like the Keeley Halo that I had to sell recently. Now I'll add the Hall of Fame 2 for the bigger reverb. So that gives it that more atmospheric sound. I can also add some of the Mr. O phase shifter. That gives it a little more psychedelic. So as many of you know, I like to do atmospheric kind of sounds for church worship sounds, and so I think this will work very well for that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed those sounds. And just want to say God bless everyone, and let's fix our eyes on Jesus. He's the author and perfecter of our faith, and he's the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. So take care. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.